2006 Toyota Tundra V8, really beautiful green color, really nice wheels on it too. He brought it in, we got done on it for him. What we got done, still got factory converters there and there. Then we took this resonator off that comes on this one and put a Jones turbine in its place. Part number GR24. We'll see if we have a link. We can put a link in the description for you. And then he had a BORLA system put on a while back by somebody else. It's an 18-inch body BORLA system with 2 1/4 tailpipes, and they were going straight out the back, but it was just, he didn't like that look anymore. And so we reused his tips and put it out the sides, right there and right there. Custom bent it out the sides for him, as you guys can see. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. It's got a BORLA system and a Jones resonator. 2000 Toyota Tundra V8. I think it's got the 5.6, I'm not sure. But anyways, it's got 2 catalytic converters. It's a 2001 there and one there, as you guys can see. Then it was into a single. Then we kept the resonator on. The guy's a little bit older, doesn't want it too loud, so we kept the resonator on and did a MAGNAFLOW single in to dual out, 14-inch body muffler, and then 2 1/4 tailpipes all the way back right there, and all the way back right there, into 4-inch angle cut tips right there and right there. Toyota Tundra 2000. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And please smash that subscribe button. He wanted it for more for performance than sound. It's not really loud. It sounds good. Here's sound decibels. It's about 95. Go ahead and back it up. A really clean truck for 2006. There's those tips. Came out really nice out the sides. BORLA system. Let you guys hear it on the inside. I hear the manifold. What's the sound you were looking for? He didn't want it loud at all. He wanted barely a low minimum, a low tone. So it's a 101. That's perfect. Yeah, it won't drone too much or nothing. It'll be just a nice. And over in about 30 days, it breaks in, gets a little bit louder.
Okay. It's really nice. I really like it. You're really digging it.
Yeah. He's fixing those headers. He's gonna put headers on it. Can't talk today. Still sounds good though. Nice. Tell us what you guys think. MAGNAFLOW, 4-inch tips. Let you guys hear it on the inside. I like the wheels on it. Sets it off nicely. Toyota Tundra V8.